It doesn't matter how many serums you apply, or how expensive your skincare routine is. If your skin is aging faster than it should, there's something deeper going on. And chances are, you're missing it. Because wrinkles, sagging, dullness, they aren't just about getting older. Your body is trying to tell you something. And today, you'll finally understand what. But first, if you care about your long-term health and natural vitality, tap that subscribe button. We break down the hidden truths your body wishes you knew. Now, let's uncover the real reasons your skin is aging faster than it should. 1. You're dehydrated, even if you drink water. Most people sip water all day and still feel tired, dry, and dull. Why? Because they're not actually absorbing it without the right minerals like electrolytes. Your cells can't hold the hydration they need. That means your skin loses elasticity, looks flaky, and shows signs of premature lines. The fix: add a pinch of Himalayan salt or trace mineral drops to your water. Hydration isn't about how much you drink. It's about how much your cells absorb. 2. You're missing collagen's hidden county factors. Yes, collagen is critical for plump, but taking collagen supplements alone isn't enough. Your body needs vitamin C, zinc, and silica to actually use that collagen. Without these cofactors, you're flushing money and youth down the drain. So if you're sipping collagen but still seeing sagging or fine lines, you now know why. 3. High sugar diets break down your skin. This one's big. When you consume sugar, especially refined carbs, your body creates advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. They destroy collagen and elastin, the two proteins that keep your skin smooth and firm. So yes, your sweet tooth might be aging you faster than time ever could. Cutting sugar for even 10 days can visibly reduce puffiness and uneven texture. Quick pause here. If this is eye-opening, subscribe now because we're just getting started. 4. Chronic stress alters your skin's chemistry. Cortisol, your stress hormone, isn't just making you feel anxious. It's also shrinking your collagen reserves. Under constant stress, your skin becomes thinner, weaker, more prone to wrinkles. But here's the twist. It's not just emotional stress. Poor sleep, blood sugar spikes, even over-exercising can raise cortisol too. Want younger skin? Just 5 minutes a day of deep breathing, sunlight, or grounding can calm your system. And your skin will reflect it. 5. You're neglecting internal inflammation. These aren't just surface issues. They're signs of internal inflammation. And often start in the gut. Yes, your skin is a mirror of your digestion. Processed foods, seed oils, and gluten can all trigger silent inflammation, which leads to dull, uneven, reactive skin. The solution: focus on anti-inflammatory foods. Think leafy greens, berries, turmeric, and fermented foods. Heal the gut, and the glow returns. 6. Your skincare is too harsh. It's a wild truth. Most skincare products marketed to fight aging are actually accelerating it. Fragrances, alcohol-based toners. These strip your natural barrier and trigger chronic irritation. Instead of overloading your skin, nourish it. Use gentle, hydrating, and barrier-repairing products. Think niacinamide, ceramides, and squalane. Sometimes less is younger. Now imagine, what if you combined all of this? Hydrated cells, anti-inflammatory food, lowered cortisol, quality sleep, simplified skincare. The result: you don't just slow down aging. You reverse it, because glowing skin isn't about age. It's about alignment. So if you've been staring in the mirror, wondering why your skin looks older than you feel, you're not imagining it. But now, you hold the power to change it, because skin doesn't lie. And when it starts to shine again, you'll know you're finally doing something right. Don't forget, your glow starts within. And if this helped you connect the dots, like and subscribe for more secrets your body's been waiting for you to uncover. Youth isn't lost. It's just been buried under misinformation. Let's bring it back naturally.